This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 60 by 35 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 60 unit. So after that, we can see this rectangular shape has a rectangular cut here, and this rectangular cut has a dimension of 15 by 10 unit, and it has a distance of 10 unit from here, and it has a stud cut of this length. Okay, so after that, in the front plane, in the right plane, we can see we have another stud cut rectangle, and this stud cut rectangle has a dimension of uh, 10 by 34 unit, and we will be extrude cutting it to 10 unit. Okay, so let's start from the front plane. So selecting the front plane, now sketch, now select the corner rectangle, now dimension it 35 by 60 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 60 unit, and select it from the mid plane. After that, press OK. Now in the front plane, again select the front plane, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here, and dimension it to 15 by 10 unit. Now select the smart dimension option and select this line and this line and this, and dimension this distance to 10 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. Now select this right side. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to 10 by 34 unit. Now select the smart dimension option, and here you can see it has a dimension distance of 13 unit here, so we need to dimension it. So I'm selecting this line and this line, and the distance will be 13 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut, and now select up to surface and select this surface. Okay, now press OK. So we have done the base. So after that, we can see we have a rectangular shape like here. Okay, for drawing this rectangular shape, we can see it has a front view distance of 35 unit, and in the right view distance it has a distance of 36 unit. So in the top plane, I will draw a rectangle. Okay, in the top plane I will draw a rectangle of uh, 36 unit by 35 unit. Okay, then we can see in the right plane it has a distance of 7 unit here, another distance of 7 unit here. So I will extend this 7 unit here and extend another 7 unit here, and we can see it has a distance of 10 unit. So I will go a 10 unit from here and 10 unit from here, and then I will close the shape. After that, I will extrude boss it to 140 minus 35 unit in the top plane. Okay, so I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch, now normal to it, now select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle here. Now dimension it to 36 unit by 35 unit. Okay, so now select the smart dimension tools, and the distance from here to here, the distance will be 10 unit. Okay, dimension it to 10 unit. Okay, now select the line tool and draw this distance of 7 unit. Okay, now draw a horizontal line of 10 unit. Now this distance will be 7 unit plus 36 unit plus 7 unit. Okay, now this will be 10 unit and this distance is 7 unit. So we have got our shape. So now select trim option and trim all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 140 minus 35 unit. Okay, now press OK. So after that we will draw this circular shape, and this circular shape has a dimension of 50 diameter. Then we can see we have another inner Stuttgart circle. This inner Stuttgart circle uh, has a dimension of 30 unit. Then in the from this centerline plane, I will take a reference plane here. Uh, uh, this reference plane will be from this top plane to this reference plane has a distance of 140 unit. So I will take a reference plane here and then I will cut this circle. This Stuttgart circle has a dimension of 14 unit and it has a distance of 40 unit from this line. Okay, so let's do this. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle and place the circle to the center and dimension it to 50 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view and it has the extrude boss of 70 unit. So I am selecting features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 70 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now select this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle again and place the circle to the center and now dimension it to 30 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now press OK. So now isometric it. So we need a reference plane here. For doing this I am selecting the top plane. Now select go to reference and select the reference plane and select the distance of 140 unit. Now press OK. Okay, we have gotten our reference plane. Now select the plane and now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle again and place the circle according to this center line and now dimension it to 14 unit. Now select the smart dimension option. Now select this circle and this line and the distance will be 40 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Okay, reverse the direction. Now press OK. So we have gotten our extrude cut hole. Now you can hide this plane. Now in our sketch we can see we have another inner extrude cut, and this inner extrude cut has a distance of 30 unit here. Okay, and in the right plane we can see this extrude cut goes here from here. So how will we draw it? For drawing it, first of all I will draw a center line, and this center line will be distance of 140 unit, and from that center line we can see this distance is 24 unit. So I'll take a offset of 12 unit in this side and another offset of 12 unit this side. Then I will close the shape. After that, closing the shape, I will then extrude cut. I will extrude cut it to 30 unit. Okay, that will bring. Okay, now I am rotating the sketch. Select this face. Now sketch. Now select normal to it. Now select the center line and place the center line to this origin. Now dimension it to 140 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities. Select this line as offset entities and the dimension will be 24 divided by 2 unit. Make sure to select the bidirectional cap-in line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 30 unit. Now press OK. So we have done our shape, but it's time for the filleting. So if we see in the main sketch here, we have some fillet here and here, okay, and here also. And in the drawing, the fillet is not given. So I am assuming as this length will be 7 units, so I'm assuming the half distance will be almost 3 unit. So I'm assuming the fillet is 3 unit, okay. So I'm selecting the fillet option, and from the fillet option, select the dimension to 3 unit. Now press enter. Now zoom in. Now select this line, uh, select this line and this upper line. Okay. Now zoom in here and select this curve line. Okay. Now select this line and now rotate in the other face. Zoom in and this line and this line and this line. Now go here and select this upper portion line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.